Imagine a name so sacred, so powerful, that it was once spoken by prophets, written by scribes, and revered by an entire nation. And yet, somehow, that name vanished. Replaced. Obscured. Forgotten. How could this happen? How could the personal name of the Creator, the Most High, fade from common knowledge? Was it a mistake? Or could this actually be part of a biblical prophecy? Stick with me as we unravel this incredible mystery and uncover the truth about Yahuah's name. In the Bible, Yahuah's name is far more than just a title. It's personal. It's intimate. It's a name that reveals His eternal existence, His unmatched sovereignty, and His desire for a relationship with His people. When Moses stood before the burning bush, trembling with awe, Yahuah revealed His name. In Exodus 3 verses 14 to 15, Yahuah declared, "I am who I am. This is my name forever, the name you shall call me from generation to generation." Did you catch that? Forever. Yahuah wanted His name to be known for all time, from one generation to the next. So how did we lose it? Why would such a sacred name, a name so central to who He is, be replaced in our Bibles with titles like Lord or God? Is it just reverence, or is there something much deeper going on? Let me take you to a sobering passage in the book of Jeremiah. In Jeremiah 23 verse 27, Yahuah confronts false prophets, saying, "They think the dreams they tell one another will cause my people to forget my name, just as their ancestors forgot my name through Baal worship." Did you hear that? Forgetting His name isn't just an accident, it's the result of deception. A spiritual battle. Over time, this forgetting became a reality, as His name was systematically replaced and hidden. The original Hebrew scriptures often used the tetragrammaton, the four letters YHWH, to represent Yahuah's name. But something shifted during the Second Temple period. Religious leaders, out of extreme reverence, decided His name was too holy to speak aloud. Instead, they substituted titles like Adonai, which means Lord. But here's the thing, what started as reverence ended up erasing the name entirely. When the Bible was translated into Greek, Latin, and eventually English, Yahuah's name was replaced altogether with generic titles. By the time most of us were reading the Bible, we had no idea His personal name even existed. Let's pause here. Is this just about history, or does this matter today? The Bible answers that question loud and clear. Psalm 83 verse 18 says, "That men may know that you, whose name alone is Yahuah, are the Most High over all the earth." His name matters. It's not just a word, it's a declaration of who He is. It's a reminder that He alone is the Creator, the covenant keeper, the one true God. Using His name isn't just about being accurate, it's about restoring intimacy, power, and truth to our relationship with Him. Now, here's something amazing. In recent years, there's been a growing movement among believers to restore Yahuah's name. Scholars and worshippers alike are digging into ancient texts, uncovering the truth, and bringing back what was lost. And you know what? This isn't just some modern trend. It's prophecy coming to life. Ezekiel 39 verse 7 tells us, "I will make my holy name known in the midst of my people Israel. And the nations shall know that I am Yahuah." This is a call, a wake-up call, to return to the roots of our faith. To honor the name of the Creator as He intended. So, what does this mean for you? It's an invitation. A chance to reclaim what was hidden. A chance to deepen your relationship with Yahuah. When you pray, call on His name. When you worship, honor His name. When you share your faith, don't shy away from proclaiming His name. And don't just take my word for it. Philippians 2 verses 10 to 11 reminds us, "At the name of Yahusha, Jesus, every knee should bow. And every tongue confess that Yahuah is Lord." This isn't just about theology or tradition. It's about truth. It's about stepping into the fullness of what Scripture reveals and honoring the Creator as He desires. So now that you know the story, what will you do? Will you let this truth remain hidden, or will you share it? Speak Yahuah's name boldly. Dig into the scriptures. Seek him with your whole heart. The time to act is now. Let's reclaim the name that was lost and declare it to the nations. Yahuah is calling his people back to him, and you have a role in this powerful restoration.